मुझसे प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में जिसमें इतनी वेल अटेंडेड, देयर वर about 60 pressmen were present, and I was talking to them about Islam, and one Pakistani said, "We have declared you not Muslim." I told him God has cancelled that decision, because the person who was responsible for it and engineered the whole plan was hanged as a criminal, and those who supported him in the National Assembly, practically all of them are declared by martial law government as the worst type of criminals, bad characters. So a bad character supported by bad characters take a decision. You can't force us to accept that decision. God has cancelled that decision.